Hey guys, these are my train drawings. First, we got the Rio Grande, the Rio Grande or Rio Grande. I don't know which one it is. You got this one. I forgot which one it was supposed to be. Then we have this one. Then this one that connects. Then this will be the Amtrak, the little Amtrak auto train place. And this right here is a P-42. This is another P-42. And this one is also another P-42. Then this is supposed to be the 1206 train from Unstoppable. This is what it says right here, Orlando Coal Plant. Then we have this, which is also supposed to be 1206, but just never mind about that. And then we got this one. It's half done.